poppin', everybody? What's going on? Everything alright? Everything good? Yeah, man, I'm there, man. Welcome back to another vlog. Thank you guys for watching the vlogs. I really appreciate the support. What may I do today? Me no know. But may I go up on the road shortly. Me not get this a heavy sitting here with me. I might just use my phone. I go up on the road, like a quick run, go to the supermarket, and come back on me out. So look at it.
Please prepare your cash. Smooth out your notes and press continue when ready. Please wait while your transaction is processing. Thank you for banking with NCB.
Down to the supermarket now. Heading back home now. Reach back home. Cell phone. Your time up. Return to the big camera. Yes, Rasta. That's more like it. So I'm telling you something. A couple weeks back, I see this video on YouTube where a Chinese man named I must say Mike Chen with one of them like a top 10 kind of YouTube channel. And him talk about how China make all type of fake food. Fake egg, fake this, fake that, fake rice. Now me see the fake rice part now and I say, yo, I wonder if them something they are going to reach at Jamaica. I say, no man, government to deal with that man, the fake rice not going to reach at Jamaica. Come to find out this morning, made up on the internet, I'm just Simple White post a video. Simple White, big up yourself. With the same Mike Chen, I talk about the fake rice. But me go to Google now and go up on a website where I always check. Find out that the fake rice reach at Jamaica. The rice are plastic, people. A plastic them use for encase, must say some potato. Rice can't cook. No matter how you cook, the rice can't cook. Now tell me now. Mr. Chin, make you do this. Mr. Chin, right now me chip lick. Me chip lick. Mr. Chin, after all Jamaican people do for you, wanna take fake rice and send it come here? Wanna take fake rice and send it come to Jamaica? Jamaica of all place. Jamaica will provide such a loving habitat for Chinese people can set up shop. I want to take fake rice send it come here. Jamaica are the second China because half of the population down here are Chinese people. I want to take fake rice send it come here. Building for put up, I want to get the contract. Highway for build, I want to get the contract. When you say you want Goat Island, we say take it. I want to send fake rice come to Jamaica. Mr. Chin, me chip lick to bomb road a build up right now out of 6 miles out there so. And if you go out there and look on the flag them, read the flag them when out there. You're damn right. We can't read the flag them because a Chinese there in I uno get the contract. I uno out there so I build up and I fix up things and uno send fake rice come to Jamaica. Mr. Chin, mind what you doing now, Mr. Chin? You might know karate. But me we kicking at your bum. Me never know say uno turn God in a China now. How uno fear make rice? Make dirty nasty fake rice and I send it come to Jamaica, Mr. Chin, watch it. If we can't get to a shop, we go support Mr. Chin. And you take dirty fake rice and send come to Jamaica, Mr. Chin, watch it. See the video here. So what video name there? 10 fake Chinese foods that may kill you. Go look on YouTube. Now some of the heads of government don't all. Some don't know if you use the internet. Picking is of the government people. I beg gonna show them these foolishness. So them be extra cautious. So then take extra precautions to make sure say fake rice not reach at Jamaica. I see one sitting online a while ago about how the fake rice could have been made in Jamaica. Authorities have suggested that the alleged presence of plastic rice in Jamaica could be the result of local manufacturing. There is a possibility that that might be true, but we don't reach so far yet with the foolishness. If there is plastic rice, it can be made here. Colleen Henry, Deputy CEO of Operations at Jamaica Customs, told journalists at a press conference on Monday. Miss Henry, looking at my face, me talk to you. I know yeah we make it, alright? We might burn a couple DVD, we might burn a couple CD, but we don't know if we make fake rice yet. And Mr. Chin send it come here. Mr. Chin, are you send the fake rice? People be careful how on yam rice. If we don't put the rice in the pot and it looks sticky, other than how rice will look, no yummy. Cause I must say plastic rice on yam. We don't want an apology. We don't want an apology. We want real rice. Real rice. You look, you see, I lay all the flour on the ramp with it. Cause if a flour different thing on not talk about. This chip lick session was brought to you by Mackerel this for you. That little something here, for go up on the top and you know, like when you have a can soda. Because you know, say in most Jamaican yard, we don't really have no can opener. We have to get the knife, stab it down in it, open it up, stab it down in the next side, open it up. Then we go so jiggle, 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 jiggle till it open. Introducing the new 2016 mackerel. Peel back the top like a sachets. If you don't know nobody will work at Grace, tell them to pay me, make me promote the mackerel. Bust the top like a sachets. People don't look at what time of day. I wanna know where me I make. Man a boil water if you go drink tea. Nothing like a cup of tea and a piece of butter to start your day in the afternoon, 12:48 p.m. Life is great. As usual, I just rise up from my slumber. Again, I go wash some plates, you know, and then put a pot for bubble. Yeah, man. If you don't want no baby girl there, she's working. To work, me make videos and she do fair work. Same workplace, different kinds of work. Same platform, the internet. Knife not a handle. I know nothing, it still work. Now if me did there a country, some hog or goat would I get this to deal with, but I told the hog and goat them up here too should be a styrofoam and plastic and can they eat. They don't want them a poor people food there. Shut up! Grace, big up yourself. And just like that, murder was the case. You know, they probably want to see me eat the food, but too fast me whack it off, it wouldn't fit in a one frame. Might just done the vlog here, so if not, then I could probably see some basketball footage. If the vlog done here, so thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate the support. Follow me on Instagram, check out the main channel. I put up a video Sunday, link in the description. And take care of yourself. Look more.